Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Apple TV Plus subscription with Android users through the web interface, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your Android device and navigate to tv.apple.com, the official Apple TV Plus website. Step 2. Sign in using your Apple ID credentials. This is the account that has the active Apple TV Plus subscription. Step 3. Go to your device's Settings app and navigate to your Apple ID account settings through the web interface at appleid.apple.com. Step 4. Look for the Family Sharing section. This feature allows you to share your Apple TV Plus subscription with up to 5 family members. Step 5. Click on Add Family Member and enter the Apple ID email address of the person you want to share your subscription with. Step 6. The recipient will receive an invitation via email. They need to accept the invitation to join your family sharing group. Step 7. Once they accept, they can access Apple TV Plus by visiting tv.apple.com on their Android device and signing in with their own Apple ID. Step 8. All family members can now enjoy Apple TV Plus content through the web browser on their Android devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.